Today I'm making this delicious corn casserole so easy and fast to make. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of canned corn, 1 cup of creamed corn, 1 cup of heavy cream, a half cup of honey, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, and a half cup of melted butter. Stir until everything is well blended. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Stir until everything is well blended. Slowly add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing gently until combined. Avoid overmixing to keep the casserole light and tender. Add the beaten eggs, mixing until evenly incorporated. Now pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. Bake in preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the casserole rest for about 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.